Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best cloth paper towels reusable on the market, the mioeco 20-pack reusable paper towels. If you're looking to make your kitchen more eco-friendly without sacrificing performance, this product could be exactly what you need. These reusable paper towels are crafted from 100% organic cotton, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional disposable paper towels. The organic cotton not only ensures that these towels are environmentally friendly but also provides a soft and gentle texture, making them safe to use on delicate surfaces without causing scratches or damage. Whether you're wiping down countertops, cleaning up spills, or drying your hands, these cloth towels bring a touch of luxury to your everyday chores. One of the standout features of these towels is their superior absorbency. Thanks to the high-quality organic cotton fabric, they soak up liquids quickly and efficiently, outperforming many conventional paper towels. This means fewer towels are needed for any mess, reducing waste and saving you money in the long run. Plus, their thickness and durability make them reliable for various tasks, from kitchen cleanups to bathroom use and even dusting around the house. Cleaning these towels is hassle-free, as they are fully machine washable. You can simply toss them in with your laundry after use, and they'll come out fresh and ready for their next round of cleaning. This convenience ensures that you can maintain a clean and hygienic kitchen environment without the constant need to buy new paper towels. The set comes in a practical pack of 20 towels, each measuring roughly 10 by 12 inches, an ideal size for versatile use in the kitchen and beyond. Their neutral beige color fits well with any kitchen decor, while the casual square shape makes them easy to fold and store. Packaged thoughtfully in a cardboard box, these towels also reflect a commitment to reducing plastic waste. What truly makes these towels special is their versatility. Beyond being kitchen essentials for spill management and surface cleaning, they double as reusable napkins or bar towels. Their soft fabric makes them comfortable for use as hand towels in the bathroom, and they can be used throughout the home for a variety of cleaning needs. With sustainability features certified by trusted organizations, these towels are designed to help reduce your environmental impact. They support a zero-waste lifestyle by eliminating the need for disposable paper products. Small changes like switching to reusable paper towels can lead to significant reductions in landfill waste and resource consumption over time. In summary, the mioeco 20-pack reusable paper towels offer a perfect blend of eco-conscious design, practicality, and superior performance. They are an excellent choice for anyone wanting to live more sustainably without compromising on quality or convenience. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your kitchen essentials with reusable paper towels, this pack might be your new go-to. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.